Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Billionaire. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free USDT in your Trust Wallet account. All you have to do is, when I mean by free, I mean there is no investment coming from your side. All that is needed is just your dedication and some time. So guys, if you are watching this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be updated on that. So guys, the name of the site which I'm going to be showing you today is called freebinance.top. So guys, I'll be dropping the link to this site in the description box below. Now when you click on the link in the description box below, you're going to be seeing this. All you have to do is to click on get started, and when you click on get started, over here you are going to be told to register. Now you input your email, your username, your password, repeat your password, then scroll down and verify you are human. Then you go ahead and click on register, and your account will be successfully registered for you. So I already have an account on this. So after you've registered, all you have to do is to log in, which I'm going to be logging into my account now. When you click on login, you input your email and your password. Now you scroll down and verify you are human. Then click on login. As you can see here, this is what I have earned so far, 152 token. So guys, to earn on this site, all you have to do is to click on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen. Now to earn on this site, you're going to be claiming 4 sets, free 4 sets. You're also going to be visiting short links to earn, and visit PTC ads to also earn some decent amount of coin for yourself. And so guys, if you refer anybody to the system, you're going to be given 15% of what your referral is earning. So guys, this is very nice. So to withdraw on this, all you have to do is, when you're on your dashboard, you click on withdraw over here. Now guys, when you click on withdraw, it's going to be taking, you're going to be scrolling down. Guys, when you scroll down, as you can see over here, it says withdraw. What you're going to be doing is, you're going to click on this white over here to withdraw USDT, then input your faucet pay address over here and click on register. And as you can see guys, and click on withdraw, and your coin will be sent to your address directly. So guys, this is how to earn USDT directly to your faucet pay address. Then you can transfer them to your Trust Wallet account. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a nice comment in the comment section below, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload new contents like this, you're going to be notified on that. Thanks for watching.